go check out the Nipo market?
Yeah.
As in the wet market or the mall or shopping center?
Just pass by.
Okay.
I don't want to go inside. Just pass by. No need to go inside because you're going to check, you're going to write down your name, everything.
Gonna what?
You're going to where you go. You just pass by.
Oh, more vendors. And street food.
What is she thinking?
What was that?
She was in a deep thought.
Deep thought.
Yeah. She will see if she works hard. Next time if you I will show her.
Ninan Elise in deep thought. Okay. We are coming up on, I'm just gonna, for all practical purposes, I'm gonna call it Main Street. Even though it's probably Highway 306. Hello, sir. But I'm just gonna call it Main Street. And yeah, National Highway, whatever we wanna call it. Here's the front of the Nipo. Somebody's trying to get my attention. Hello. Hello, sir. Nipo Market. Okay. And this would be the east end of town. The town actually starts down there about a half a mile or so. Maybe a mile at the most. So that'd be the east end of town. This is kind of like the center.
Along the Alaminos road.
Yeah, this is along Longapo Highway. The beginning of it, we're at the very north end. This is where Longapo Highway ends. Right here in Alamino City. Now you take this highway straight down. This is the one that'll take you down to Longapo, Subic City. Yeah, all that stuff. And then we pan over here and we're walking west towards our house and all the other businesses along this road. So we're gonna go eat now because we haven't had anything yet. So let's take a quick break. Okay. Taking our walk back home. There's the Alamino City Town Hall. What is this? What is that again? What is this, town hall or?
It's Comelec. That one is the Comelec building food court.
Okay.
And the food court was there. And that is the city hall.
All right.
City hall.
City Hall. All I see in the video is your back.
Roxana will sing cake again.
What does she have? Cake. Is that part of your workout diet?
Yes. I have to work out. I have to
Anyways, we are probably around the central. We are probably in the central part of Alamino City. I would say this is right about in the middle. Yeah, definitely. With the statue of, hell, I don't know what this statue is. I'm gonna have to find out what that is.
St. John Church.
That's a what?
St. John Church.
St. John's
Catholic Church.
Catholic Church. St. John's Catholic Church. All right. Continuing on. There is the water company in that big blue building. That's where we pay our water bill. Our water bill is about 298 pesos a month, which comes to about $6. That's for city water. That's for like shower water,
I take our
dishwasher.
travel pass here. Travel pass when I come and pick you up.
Okay, it's where you get your travel pass. So this is called
This is our convention center.
the convention center. Don Leopoldo's, I can't pronounce something convention center. Okay.
Don Leopoldo, that sir is waving at you inside.
Huh?
Sir is waving at you inside.
Nice looking jeepney. Want to go straight or do you want to go down this? Yeah. Hello. So anyways, we were here the other day down on this west end of the town. Chooks to go. And yeah, all these other. You know, it's warm out, but it's doable. I can tolerate this kind of heat. We got a nice breeze too, which helps. Here we have a nice view of my wife's back again. Back of her head, back of her torso.
You always see my back.
Yeah, every video. I've just noticed that here lately. Every time I watch a video, what do I see?
You never show.
Or every time we're out making these little videos, walking around.
And he never show his face.
Yeah. Always a view of her back, honey.
Go first then.
All right. CSI. CSI. gotta stop in here sometime and look at the furniture. I think those girls are trying to get attention. Hello! How are you? There we have the beaten path behind us. Now we're coming down into the residential area. I'm looking. Oh, got a big truck rolling around. It gets nice and quiet back here. Well, for the moment anyways. Wait until the scooters and the tricycles start tearing through here in a second. Only a matter of time.
So you...
Okay, well, we're just about home, so we're gonna go ahead and call this one good. Nice walk through town. I'm a little warm, but it's doable. We're gonna go home and kind of put some things away and chill out. So anyways, thanks for joining us. Take care of yourselves, take care of each other, and we will talk to you soon. Later.